Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take a look at the construction going on Spanish Town Road. So we are currently on Mandela Highway and we're going to turn left here now and go on to Spanish Town Road. Now the last time we did a video of this area, there was no work going on. We're not sure what happened, but this project has been going on for quite some time now, almost a year. So we are now going on to Spanish Town Road to get an update as to what is going on. Okay, so this is Spanish Town Road. So this project was actually two parts. The first part was National Water Commission through a local contractor was to lay pipes. And part two was the National Works Agency through a local contractor was to rehabilitate the road, pave it over and upgrade it. Both contracts were given out and Water Commission actually dug up the road and laid the pipes. The last official communication from Water Commission, and this was last year, like June, July last year, was that they were pressure testing the pipes to see what was going on, to make sure that they were okay. And the National Works Agency told their contractor to hold off until Water Commission finishes with the pressure tests, because they don't want a case where the road is paved over and then they have to dig it up. So it looks like we are not seeing any. Well, the road definitely has not been paved over, and there is no work currently going on to pave over the road. So the National Works Agency part has not started yet. So on the right is the Riverton community. At the left, at the stoplight coming up on the left, that's where you drive to go into Washington Gardens. Now Spanish Town Road has a lot of communities off of it. Riverton, Seaview, Tivoli Gardens, Denham Town, Trench Town, Arnett Gardens, a lot of communities, Olympic Gardens. So what happened was that these communities have been growing over the years. So the pipes that were in place were not big enough to supply on a regular basis water to all these communities. So they decided to lay some new pipes, and that was what was going on. So we are not sure what is going on, why the road has not been paved over yet. And the other day the residents were asking for China Harbour Engineering Company to be given the contract, because whatever is going on, even the residents are wondering why it has not finished yet. So the construction on Spanish Town Road, this side of the road at least, we don't see any construction going on. And the road still has not been rehabilitated or paved. And this is a very busy road because it takes you from Mandela Highway, which is the busiest road in Jamaica, to Halfway Tree, which is the busiest place in Jamaica. And the busiest intersection of Jamaica is actually the intersection of Spanish Town Road and Hagley Park Road. So this project should have been finished a long time ago, weeks, months ago. So we're not sure what's going on, or what are the reasons for the delay. And straight ahead you can see the 3 miles overpass. That's the only double overpass in Jamaica, and it's built at the intersection of Spanish Town Road and Hagley Park Road, which is the busiest intersection in Jamaica. Now on the right is the J. Ray and Nephew facility, and they make the rums in Jamaica, Appleton and the white rum. And this road also takes you to the wharf, the Port of Kingston, or the Kingston Container Terminal. And a lot of warehouses and factories and plants are on this road. You have Red Stripe, you have Seprod, a lot of major manufacturers are on this road. And look at the state of the road. Okay, so if we turn right here, we would go into the Seaview Gardens area. Okay, that truck that you see on the left is actually flow, it's not water commission. And you see the state that the road is left in.